Mining is changing. For generations, it was seen as dirty and dangerous. Now technology and a new generation are making it safer and cleaner. This is the future of mining. This isn't your grandfather's mine. Young professionals are bringing fresh ideas. They are working alongside experienced miners. Together, they are making mining more efficient and sustainable. Automation is transforming how mining works. Robots and autonomous vehicles are now commonplace. They are taking on dangerous tasks. This keeps human workers safe. Imagine a mine without people on the ground. This is becoming a reality. Remote-controlled equipment is used in many mines. This boosts productivity and improves safety. Sustainability is no longer optional. It is essential for the future of mining. Companies are adopting environmentally friendly practices. They are reducing waste and water usage. The goal is to minimize mining's impact on the planet. Companies are investing in renewable energy. They are working to restore mine health. New technologies are key to reducing the environmental footprint of mining. Water treatment systems are becoming more efficient. Companies are finding innovative ways to manage tailings. Data analytics is being used to optimize operations in real time. This reduces energy consumption and emissions. The industry is moving towards a cleaner future. Section 5. The young and the driven new faces of a changing industry. Young professionals are flocking to the mining industry. They are attracted by the challenge and the opportunity to make a difference. These are the engineers, geologists, and environmental scientists of tomorrow. They bring fresh perspectives and a passion for sustainability. They are skilled in using new technologies. They are the future of this industry. Section 6. Bridging the gap. Experience meets innovation. The mining industry is witnessing a unique collaboration. Experienced workers are sharing their knowledge with the next generation. This ensures a smooth transition to a more technological future. Mentorship programs are common. Young professionals are learning from the best. This combination of experience and new ideas is driving progress. Section 7. Challenges and opportunities. Navigating the future of mining. The mining industry faces challenges. Commodity prices fluctuate. Public perception can be negative. Finding skilled workers is an ongoing concern. However, these challenges also present opportunities. Innovation is key to overcoming obstacles. By embracing new technologies and sustainable practices, the industry can thrive. Section 8. A hopeful horizon. Mining for a sustainable tomorrow. The future of mining is full of potential. It's a future where technology and sustainability go hand in hand. It's a future where mining companies are responsible stewards of the environment. This new era of mining will provide the resources we need for a sustainable future. From smartphones to electric cars, many essential products rely on mined materials. Section 9. Conclusion. A new era of responsible resource extraction. Mining is essential to modern life. It's undergoing a remarkable transformation. Driven by technology and a new generation, mining is becoming safer, cleaner, and more sustainable. The industry is embracing its responsibility to the planet and its people. This is a new era of responsible resource extraction. This is the future of mining. Mining is hard work. It's dangerous and difficult to explore new areas. Drones are changing that, making mining safer and more efficient. Drones are like flying robots with cameras. They give a bird's eye view of the entire mine. This helps mining companies create better maps and plans. Instead of sending people into dangerous areas, drones can explore first. They can check for hazards and find the best places to mine. This saves time and money. Safety is the most important thing in mining. Drones are becoming essential tools for keeping miners safe. Drones can fly into dangerous areas that are too risky for people. They can inspect equipment for damage and look for signs of trouble. If there's an accident, drones can quickly search for missing miners. They can even deliver supplies to trapped workers. By identifying risks early, drones help prevent accidents before they happen. This is a huge improvement for mine safety. Mines are big and often located in remote areas. This makes security a challenge. Drones provide a new way to keep mines safe from theft and vandalism. Drones equipped with cameras and sensors can patrol the mine perimeter. They can detect movement and alert security personnel to potential threats. Using GPS technology, drones can accurately measure distances. This is helpful for planning security measures such as fences and patrols. Drones can also be used to create three-dimensional models of the mine. These models help security teams identify vulnerable areas and improve their response plans. Around the world, mining companies are already using drones with great success. For example, BHP, a global mining giant, uses drones to inspect their mines in Australia. This has helped them improve safety and reduce costs. In South Africa, Anglo American uses drones to monitor their platinum mines. The drones provide real-time data on mining operations, which helps improve efficiency and productivity. These are just a few examples of how drones are transforming the mining industry. As drone technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications.
Gold, a symbol of wealth and prosperity since time immemorial. From the depths of ancient mines to the heart of modern economies, this precious metal continues to captivate us. Extracting gold from the earth, however, is a challenging endeavor. Traditional mining methods are often hazardous, time-consuming, and expensive. But what if there was a way to make gold mining safer, more efficient, and cost-effective? Enter the era of drones. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, are aircraft without a human pilot on board. They are controlled remotely and are equipped with sophisticated technology like cameras, sensors, and GPS. These capabilities allow drones to perform various tasks, from aerial photography to package delivery. And now they are revolutionizing industries like gold mining. Drones are transforming how gold is mined. They can survey vast mining areas quickly and safely, creating detailed three-dimensional maps. These maps help identify gold deposits and plan mining operations more efficiently. Drones also inspect mines for safety, monitoring for potential hazards like landslides or equipment failures, thus protecting the lives of miners. The use of drones in gold mining offers a plethora of benefits. Increased safety for miners is paramount, as drones minimize the need for humans to work in hazardous environments. Efficiency also receives a significant boost. Tasks that once took days can now be completed in hours. This translates into substantial cost savings for mining companies. The future of gold mining is undeniably intertwined with drone technology. As drones become even more sophisticated and accessible, their impact on the industry will only continue to grow. This transformative technology promises a safer, more efficient, and more sustainable future for gold mining.